All right. Before we get started, we're going to talk a little bit about general firearm safety here. Now, with a single action, it's not that it's hard to take out the cylinder to let everybody know that it's empty. It's just not necessarily designed efficiently to make that happen. So what we're going to do is we're going to open the loading gate on the revolver, and we're going to take this hammer back to first cock and just beyond. Now what that's going to do is that's going to allow us and count out the the 9 holes inside the cylinder, and just to overall make sure that it's empty. And sometimes I'll just count past just in case I may have overlooked one, or maybe I was spinning too fast. And that's about 2 good rotations there, and we can see that there's nothing there. Now, we'll just close the loading gate here. Now, a general theme here to keep in mind is this, a revolver or a wheel gun or however that you know these firearms by. We know that if there's not a round in the cylinder, there's not necessarily a round in the firearm, because there's no other place for the round to be. Now what you can do is later on we're going to take a look, we're going to break this down, and we'll use a bore light and we'll make sure that there's no barrel obstructions inside here. But we see that, and I'm going to release this hammer, and we're always going to want to keep this in a safe direction. We don't have any ammunition here to be able to use, to accidentally be a part of this disassembly and cleaning. We're just going to keep that theme throughout, no ammunition, just our cleaning materials that we needed, and an empty, safe firearm.